Shakib and Imran as well. Oh dear. He was on his way, and Shakib's fired at leg side, and it's gone for 5 wides.
Hales goes so early, doesn't he? Shakib, all he's got to do is get a little bit of pace on it. Hamid Shahzad just couldn't. Did it clip his pad?
Left hand.
Going to go back on what Niall and Danny were talking about that dead ball, and when an on-field decision is out, you don't get given the run. But does this flick his pad or his boot? No. It's an arm ball, he misses it.
Swing and a miss this time.
I'm going to ask you, Simon Doull, a man who commentates on a lot of ICC World events, if that's the last ball of a final and it's given out, you needed one to win, got to be out, has to be out, given out, slowly, but it's out.
Yeah, looking to go to the reverse, and this was pitching just outside, I think. Hit him in line, crashing into off stump, off and middle stump perhaps. The end of Siobhan Daniel. A reprieve in the previous over. And that is as out gets. Shakib knew it, umpire knew it. Siobhan Daniel on his way for 27 off 18. Ajmain bolts are 70. Jimmy Neesham is the new batter. Here's our pre-match interview. New Zealand all-rounder in at number 3.
Shakib bhai.
Well, push for 2. Neesham good running. Hales makes it back comfortably, and at the end of 6 overs, it is 80 for 1.